it's all about identifying. I have a picture here. All you have to do is identify with the fresh ornamental fish or marine ornamental fish. Anyone? Okay, okay. All your answers are so before we start, do you have any idea about the lesson for today?
Fresh ornamental fish.
Anyone?
So, it's all about ornamental farming, types of ornamental trees, which are and is recognized.
Very good. So ornamental farming types of ornamental fishes being farmed are on demand sa village type. Actually, yung advantages and disadvantages ay very putting or trading. So, the ornamental farming, also known as aquaculture or ornamental fishing farming, it is involved cultivating attractive and colorful fish species for the aquarium or plant stages. Let's listen to types of ornamental fishing being farmed. This ornamental fish farming involves breeding of and breeding fish for their different feed qualities. And we can look for display in aquarium or ponds. That industry is a significant global business with a growing market and potential for profitability. It encompasses various aspects, including breeding and marketing of different species. So let's listen to ornamental fishing. So first, fresh water ornamental fish. First is goldfish. The goldfish are Halasius aurantus. Is a freshwater fish. It is commonly kept as a pet in indoor aquariums. It is one of the most popular aquarium fish and widely farmed species, known for its many variations in color, fin shape, size, and body structures. That is a goldfish. So next is agape. Guppy. This guppy was also known as Westphalia inculata, also known as milkweed fish or the rainbow fish. Tinatawag siya rainbow kasi madami siyang itlog. It's one of the world's most widely distributed tropically fish and one of the most popular freshwater aquarium fish species. Another common and easy to breed species with many different strains and varieties of it. This is ang guppy. So next, the koi. Koi, also known as Primus robustus. Yung koi kasi, sa Japan, madami kasi yan, di ba? Mostly sa Japan talaga yung mga Oo, sa kanila. Kasi, kasi sa Japanese, yung koi kasi, it is, parang sa kanila yung parang affection or love. Yun yung tinatawag nilang koi. Another term, oo, another terms nila. Affection or love. Popular ornamental fish known for its vibrant colors and large size. Large size, although often associated with outdoor ponds, koi are highly valued for their size and vibrant colors. They are a major commercial fish for ornamental purpose and can be expensive. So next, angel fish.
Angel.
Wow. Angel fish. Angel fish is related to appearance with their triangular body. Parang shape and long flowing fins, primitive sense of angel wings, also known for its elegant appearance and complex beauty. Next is the moth. Molly, also known Moiselia sp. Moiselia sp. Moiselia sp. Molly are popular freshwater ornamental fish known for their diverse colors and relatively peaceful nature and ease of care, making them suitable for breeding aquariums and barrier known for its easy breeding and attractive colors. That's so next is Siamese fighting fish. Siamese fighting fish are also known as betta. The Siamese fighting fish, also known as the betta fish, is a popular freshwater aquarium fish renowned for its vibrant colors and flowing fins.
For fish keepers of yung mga ornamental fish, if you're really a fish keeper, then you don't call it anymore fighting fish. Kasi before, yung mga earlier breeds of that Siamese betta, they call it fighting fish kasi they use it for fighting. So pinafight-fight nila parang manok hanggang mamatay yung isa. But nowadays, yung fighting fish na tinatawag nila, already called betta, considering marami na siyang klase, including different colors, combination, and different tail types. Meron na siyang plakat, yung maliit ang buntot, yung nakikita nyo is half moon data. Then meron siyang crown tail, yung may tinik-tinik. Meron siyang double tail, yung double yung buntot niya. And marami pang iba. Merong comb tail, merong spear tail, merong tail tail. Dami ang klase. So it's not anymore called fighting fish. It's called betta or betta fish.
So let's proceed to marine ornamental fish. First is a clownfish.
Inimo.
Anong diferensya between freshwater and marine water?
In fresh water is with came from my salt. From marine.
So that's a clownfish, a popular choice of for aquariums, known for its bright colors and some symbiotic relationship with anemones, and there's steering role in finding Nemo. Clownfish are among the most popular marine
Don't you actually yung word na Nemo? Kasi hindi naman, yung ako, binigyan ako ng ganyan, clownfish, pero after mga month, died. Kasi it needs to be with yung anemone, yung parang coral. Kailangan nandoon din yun. Kasi pag wala yun, walang clownfish. Kasi doon nila kinukuha yung hindi nila actually kumakain yung pagkain na binibigay natin. No? They don't eat. Siguro they eat yung mga microplanktons doon sa anemone. Or you call it sea anemone. Kaya yung Nemo. From the word anemone. Nemo.
So next is rushes. Or
Grasses.
also known as the family Lamnidae. Are a large and diverse group of marine fish found in tropical and temperate seas worldwide. They are particularly abundant in coral reefs, ecosystems, and a diverse group of fish, often collected from the wild. That's questions.
They often go in groups like the Nemo. Yung mga school of fish talaga yun sila. No, some of these species yung grasses, lumalaki na. Yung kumakanta kayo sa video okay? Video okay? O, diba? Yung ganyan na malaki talaga yun. Yung laki niya, laki ng ulo ng tao. Well, ano yun?
Piyala. Next is the self-fishes. These fish are another group of polar marine fish. Another groups of ornamental fishes.
Wala siya ibang description. I cannot see it clearly, so I cannot identify.
So that's the cobalt blind fish,
Ayan is very common.
or also known as Chaetodon paedia.
This is very common if you go to Ocean Park, Manila. Ang daming ganyan. Ha? Ay, hindi kasi yan, hindi kasi yan normal yung kinakain kasi hindi naman yung kumakain naman yung para yung kapamilya ng bugao. Matigas talaga yung laban. Parang ano din yan, parang Ano bang stock bago kayo dyan? So, that is very common. When I went to Ocean Park, Manila, parang aquarium ganyan, nagbuong ka, ang daming isda. Ganyan ang pinakamaraming nakikita ko. You can seldom find Nemo dito sa mga mabababaw lang. Yung Nemo, nakikita daw talaga sa malalim talaga. But according to my students, pag gabi, pupunta sila sa mababaw. At doon sila nanguhuli ng ganyan. Like the shark, yung mga shark na marami, pag gabi yan, sa mababaw mo yun yung makikita. Yung mga maliliit lang na shark, hindi yung mga malalaki. So, these are some big aquarium fishes, yung mga marine ornamental fishes na pwedeng i-ano din sa aquarium. Nowadays, hindi lang fresh water, pag sinabi natin aquarium fish, hindi lang fresh water ang inaalagaan ngayon ng mga enthusiasts. Meron ngayon, pag pupunta ka sa Davao, may pet shop doon, nagbebenta sila ng mga marine talaga na ganyan, marine fishes. Tapos nag-breed din sila, meron silang talagang lugar saan nag-breed, parang kumukuha lang sila ng tubig alat, tapos nag-breed sila ng ganyan. So later on, no, magiging common na din yan as aquarium fishes, yung mga ganyan. Actually, when one of my classmates gave me, parang shark na maliit ng kulay brown, may aquarium na ako na malaki, nilagay ko sa aquarium din. Nagtimpla lang ako ng tubig, alat. Kasi meron na pala ngayong binibenta na sea salt. So, sea salt ang inalo mo doon. Then, kaya nga, sabi ko sa inyo, when we were talking about yung refractometer, sino nag-report doon?
Narnalin.
Salinity. Meron akong ganun sa bahay. Hindi ko na makita kung saan na. Kasi dati, nag-alaga ako ng ganyan, so I need to check the salinity. It needs to be around parang 30 to 40 parts per thousand para mabuhay yung shark na yun.
Kailan ba ito, shark, sir?
Ha? Kung nakapal, wala kang juta ng shark.
Hindi kasi bawal, sir. Hindi kasi bawal.
Naghahanap mo sa tubig ko. Bawal si Kuhi na yung tubig. Okay? Now, yung goldfish, pinaka-common. Kilala niyo yung goldfish?
Yes.
Oo. May mga common tayo ng goldfish, pinatawag natin yung rancho, yung walang ano sa
Ulitin mo
likod.
talaga, be.
Meron tayong oranga, meron
Saan ka
tayong
napunta?
marine, meron tayong butterfly
Na?
goldfish. Sa gapi din, maraming klase. Based on color, maraming klase ng gapi.
Kung maputi ka, be, namulahan ka na. Namulakan.
Yung mga showa, depende din sa kulay, yung pangalan
Pero
nila.
kaya, bakit pati dito mo?
Fish, maraming din klase.
Bakit pati dito mo?
Molly, mga black molly, silver molly, white tail
Umitim ka talaga.
silver yan. May
Kasi
black
lahat.
molly, may marble, may fighting fish, mas marami. So, yung kayo ngayon, no, ay wala kasi talaga tayong magandang facilities. Kasi ay sana yung research ninyo, parang pinag-isipan natin ng matagal. No? Sana may gumawa ng research about genetics ng mga ornamental fish.
Yes.
Pag crossbreed ko pa yung ganito, mas madali yun. Crossbreed mo yung ito, tsaka ito, ano yung labas ng first anak, tapos i-crossbreed yung mga anak, ano yung labas. Parang you're just experimenting ba? Ano yung kalalabasan. So, hindi naman magawa sa inyo dito kasi it's too late na. Maybe for the next batch, ganun yung ipapagawa ko. Goldfish din. Pero gusto kong may aquarium dyan. I don't know kung si Mama Ivy was parang galit siya sa inyo. I don't know.
Ha?
Sa mga hindi pa nagsubmit.
Anang report.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Ito siya lang, ano, ito siya